Dust. I sprinkled the cake with powdered sugar. What did you use to sprinkle the cake? I used powdered sugar. Score. I scored the bread dough before baking to get a lovely pattern. What did you do with the dough before baking? I got it. Grease. I coated the cake pan with butter to keep it from sticking. How did you ready the pan? I oiled it. Roll out. I rolled out the dough to make it thin for the pie crust. What did you do to the dough for the pie crust? I rolled it out. Beat. I beat the eggs until they were frothy. How did you prepare the eggs? I beat them. Line. I prepared the baking tray with parchment paper. What did you put on your baking tray? I prepared it using parchment paper. Pipe. I piped the icing into swirls on the cupcakes. How did you go about applying the frosting? I used a pipe to apply it to the cupcakes. Sponge. I prepared a light sponge cake for dessert. What kind of cake did you bake? I baked a sponge cake. Crumb coat. Prior to icing the cake, I applied a thin crumb coat. What did you do to the cake prior to applying frosting? I used a crumb coat. Blind bake. I blind cooked the pie dough before adding the filling. What did you do with the pie crust before filling it? I blind cooked it.